welcome to today's workshop. We're so excited to have you here. Today we're going to explore artificial intelligence, how technology helps us in everyday life, and how we can use it safely and responsibly.
Before we dive in, let's start with a fun challenge to get everyone thinking. Your job is to identify the following videos if they're real or AI.
This ocean, it's a force, a wild, untamed might. And she commands your awe with every breaking light.
This video is AI.
About Area 51 and the UFOs, and I go through everything to find out what happened.
Right.
Did you do that?
That's why you will not be president.
This video's real.
This video is AI.
AI is advancing at a rapid pace and sometimes can be very hard to tell what is real and what is created by a computer.
That's why learning how AI works and how to think critically is more important than ever.
Artificial intelligence, or most commonly known as AI, is when computers are trained to learn patterns, solve problems, and make decisions using data.
AI helps us in many ways. It can help us learn faster, communicate better, and even solve real-world problems in business, healthcare, and the environment. However, over-reliance on it can backfire and lead to mistakes, misunderstandings, and people relying on technology instead of thinking for themselves.
AI can be powerful, but using it responsibly matters. Let's talk about some ways to get the most out of AI, but to do so safely.
Be skeptical. AI can sound very confident even when it's wrong. Always double check information provided, the cited sources, and watch out for strange features in videos or photos.
For example, if AI says a whale is a type of fish, it might sound sure, but you should still check a trusted book or website to see that whales are actually mammals.
Check for bias. AI learns from data created by humans. If that data is unfair, AI can be unfair too. This is why questioning results is important.
If AI games always shows boys as leaders and girls as helpers, that does not mean it is true. It just means the AI learned from unfair examples.
Use AI as a tool. AI can help you learn and work faster, but it's still your job to think critically and make good choices.
Apple has introduced AI features through Apple Intelligence.
Siri uses natural language processing and machine learning to understand questions better.
iMessage can summarize long messages using AI.
Photos use machine learning to automatically categorize and sort images into different groups.
Apple Intelligence even lets users create Genmojis and images using custom prompts. With a partner, discuss if you have ever used any of those features.
IBM Watson is an AI system used to help farmers. It analyzes weather and soil data to forecast water needs and adjust irrigation in real time.
With this technology, farmers can grow more food, save up to 40% more water, and through that, protect the environment.
Microsoft Copilot helps people work smarter. In Word, Excel, Outlook, Copilot can suggest sentences, create charts, and summarize information. In Edge, Copilot enhances web browsing with smart tools and recommendations.
Technology plays a huge role in how businesses operate today, even in ways we do not always notice. From ordering food to watching videos or buying clothes online, technology helps businesses work faster and smarter. Here are some examples.
Operations. Automation helps companies send invoices, manage payroll, and save time and resources.
Customer management. Social media and tools like Canva help companies connect with customers and create engaging content.
Data analytics. Tools like Google Analytics help businesses understand customer behavior and trends.
However, storing large amounts of data online also increases security risks.
Now, let's go back in time and see how quickly technology developed. In the 1940s, the first computers filled entire rooms and used vacuum tubes.
In the 1980s, personal computers became common in homes and businesses.
Today, phones that fit in our hands are millions of times faster than early computers.
In the future, companies like Neuralink are developing technology that connects computers directly to the human brain.
As technology grows, so do the risks. There are several threats that can impact your personal information and other data stored on the computer.
Viruses and worms. These programs can steal information and damage files. Worms can spread without attaching to files.
Phishing. Messages or links that pretend to be from trusted sources to steal information.
Safe practices include using strong passwords, checking sender information, and never clicking unknown links.
For your next in-person workshop and Enspire Day, you'll work in teams on the business plan project.
Your goal is to inform, inspire, and engage your audience using what you've learned about technology, AI, and innovation.
Remember, the future of technology isn't just about what we build, it's about how we choose to use it.
The internet and AI help people learn, connect, and work faster. However, they can also create risks if not used carefully.
Today, you will become cyber defenders. In groups of 1 to 3, choose one digital villain from the template and learn how to defeat it using smart and safe online choices.
Your task is to research and learn what the villain does, why it's dangerous, and how it affects people or businesses. Make sure to use trusted sources.
Then come up with a defense plan and how people and businesses can stay safe. Then create and visualize your ideas using Canva or another design tool to make a poster or infographic that is clear, creative, and engaging. You may use AI only to brainstorm ideas, not to write your work.
Your learning challenge, please create a copy of this project template and fill it out with your team or by yourself. Then, please save it and email it to your teacher as a PPT or a PDF using this naming style. And this applies to BC schools. All other schools, as well as BC schools, can use this Google form for submission or this Microsoft form. They're the exact same, just different platforms. Make sure to set the link as anyone with the link can view it, so we can access and evaluate your submission. Good luck!